Hey guys, welcome back to another almost inevitable tutorial. And in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to make a new header. Now, on my website, I have a lot of tutorials on headers, and I have a lot of header files that you can use on your own child themes and stuff. And as you can see, I explained them all, and it's pretty useful, right? But we're going to try a new one. Like I saw this on Facebook, and oh, by the way, like me on Facebook, and you will get a lot of new posts on web development and stuff. So come like me, and we'll stay in touch and get updates. Oh, by the way, and there's a lot of new things that are in the works. So stick around. There's gonna be a lot of cool stuff. All right. So sign up for my newsletter, like me on Facebook, and you can stay posted. All right, so there's a lot of stuff on the header. We're going to try one more. And I saw this on Facebook, and someone asked me how to make this kind of header. Well, this is pretty interesting. The reason why this is really cool is because there's a header here. I'm sorry, there's a menu here, and you can actually click on the hamburger, and it gives you another menu. Now this we're not going to do. We're not going to do the whole thing. If you want to do something like this, please let me know in the comments and I'll explain how to do this. It's not that hard, but I just haven't gotten around to making this tutorial. Okay, so if you really want to know, just let me know and I'll make a tutorial on this. But for now, we're just going to leave this as a regular Divi fly-in menu. Okay, I think it's fly-in menu. Yeah, we'll leave it at that, and we're going to add a new menu on top. There are a couple ways to do this, but what I'm going to do is what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to take the top header. You know how Divi has a top header? I'm not going to put that in here because you might need it, right? So I'm going to leave that intact. We're actually going to make a new menu. Okay, a new menu. All right, so currently we have these guys in the primary menu. And by the way, this is just a sample page, sample Divi for me. So yeah. All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all these guys and start new. Okay, so one item one link doesn't matter. Add that. Yep, and item two link doesn't matter. Add to menu. Oh, that's a text. I'm sorry. Now I gotta shoot this video again. You know what? I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go ahead. All right. So item two. All right. Let's keep it at that. And why not just add some more? That's easy, right? Yeah, I'll just do that. Okay, cool. So we have all these guys in the menu, right? Saved it, and right now I put this back to default, so it should show the default menu. There we go. All right, cool. So what we're gonna do is, let's say you styled this, all right? Let's say you styled the default menu and you have some, come on, you have some, there you go, you have some styling here, all right? So you can probably use these guys, and it has the font and the font size and all that, but yeah, you can use that if you want, but still what we're going to do, we don't need to worry about too much because I have some basic styling done, so we can worry about that later. But this menu is going to go into the hamburger. Now, in order to do that, of course, you need to go to Customize and go to Header, Format, Slide in, Publish, and you're done. Okay, so if you reload this, it will do that. Okay, now if you want the full width, you can do full width. Doesn't matter, it's up to you. I'm just going to do this as is for now in the container. Okay, now we need to make a new menu. We need to add a menu. All right, so in order to do that, you need to go to your functions file. Now, you need a child theme. Okay, it's very important. You can get a child theme here. You can get a child, oh, right here. Yeah, you can get a child theme here. This Divi child theme, it's free for you to use any way you want. It's up to you, and just download it. That's it. I keep updating stuff so you can see if it's been well updated, and just use that. It's fine. It's free. Okay, so and it has a couple of extra stuff there. Anyway, so here is your functions. It's not the same as yours, but it's pretty much, it has what it has. Okay, now on the bottom of the functions PHP file, you add this. All right, now this snippet will be on the post. All right, go to the post, grab this, and drop it in your functions PHP file. Okay, what this does is it registers a new menu. Okay, registers a new menu, and it's called extra header menu. That's what it will show over here, and WordPress knows it as extra header menu. Okay, the function name is register my menu, which is why it's the same over here. There we go. Cool. Done. Save. And now you have a new menu. There we go. Right? So let's create a new menu just for this extra header menu guy. Okay. So let's call this new header menu. Create that. All right. There we go. That's selected. I think we had double tabs, blog hover, and module test, right? I'll explain why we're doing this. Okay, double tabs, blog hover, module test. There we go. I think that's it, right? Double tabs, blog hover, module test. Yeah, cool. Cool. Save. All right, that's all fine and dandy. What we need to do now is we need to refresh this, and we will see nothing. It looks exactly the same. Why? Because we did not take this, menu and add it to the header. And that's what we're going to do now, okay? What you need to do actually is take this code, and this is also in the post, all right? Take that code. As you can see, it uses the same name, extra header menu, all right? We're going to take that and go to the header PHP, and right after the logo container, go down, keep going down, and there's a PHP snippet here for right after the logo container, and right after that, so that would be technically, if you write a new line, that would be 255. Right before ET top navigation, you add that PHP line. Okay, this line goes in here. This starts showing the menu while adding a new class. Okay, and there we go. Save that, refresh this, and voila, very good. Now, how do we style this, right? Because it's showing over here. I have already styled it for you like this. No, not like that. It's actually like this. All right, so save that, and what we get is not that. What did I miss? Yeah, that should be fine. I don't know why. Hmm? Oh, menu, new header menu. Did I? I must have added the wrong. Oh well. So Sorry. All right, so this becomes menu, new header menu. I'm sorry. So menu, new, new header menu. Save that. Refresh this. And there we go. All right, cool. I wonder why that changed. So that's what we have. Now, remember how I duplicated this? The reason is because although we're not doing the full multi-tab thing on this panel, it would be nice if these guys and these guys did not overlap. But this needs to go away on mobile because there's not enough space. So that's going to go away on mobile, but it's going to turn back up on this panel. So for now on desktop, these guys have to go away. Does that make sense? Yeah. So on desktop, no duplicates. These will be over here. And on mobile, then we get to see them. Okay. So that's what this is about. That's what all this is about. So there is hide on desktop. This is a class. I'm going to copy that class. Now in the menu, if you go over here in the primary menu, and remember we had these duplicates? Cool. You add the CSS class here. Now if you don't see this, what you need to do is go up to screen options and click on CSS classes. If you uncheck that, it's gone. If you check that, it shows it. Okay? So add that there, and add that right there. Save that. And now if you refresh this, you get these three guys over here, and you get only these two over here, right? If you go to mobile, you get everything, and you get nothing else over here. And there you go. So that all works really well. I think that's that turned out pretty nice. Just a couple of things about the CSS that you see here. Change the color of the original text here. Change the font size here. Font weight. Bold is 700. So if you had NQ'd 700, then you can use 700, I guess. I don't know if that's it, but if you don't want them all in uppercase, just take that out. Right now, what is it? The current menu item, if you click on this and you go to the page, double tabs, it turns red, right? By the way, double tabs is another tutorial that I have over here. If it loads. There you go, double column tabs. This is what it does. It teaches the part about the layout that Divi has, Elegant Themes has on its pages somewhere. Anyways, so that current menu item becomes red. Now, if you don't want that to be red, you can change it to anything you want. Usually brand colors work well, so that goes with red. You can change that to whatever color you need. On mouse hover, I made it 0.6. Okay, I will probably add some transitions, I guess, yeah, transitions here before I put it on the post. But that's about it. All right, so that's how you change. That's how you style the menu. And these guys are the media queries that you see that takes care of the duplicates. All right, and it doesn't cause any problems in the load. It's just a couple of lines of text, so it's fine. Okay. Now, if you wanted to, this is my last part. This is a plug. If you want to learn CSS for yourself, if you want to learn how to make Divi responsive, go to these courses. Purchase the course. I go through everything on how to make your CSS integrate with Divi seamlessly, and actually almost none of my websites break over an update. It's because I code things by hand and I don't rely on little things like errors. And so anyways, it's really cool. Just go and learn some CSS, and I'll see you in some other video then. All right, so sign up for the newsletter, like me on Facebook, purchase the course, and stay tuned because I have a lot of cool stuff ready for you guys. All right, okay, see you in some other tutorial or video. Bye-bye.